Imagine capturing the heart of our galaxy before it slips away for another season. November is your last chance this year to observe the breathtaking galactic center of the Milky Way. If you haven't already, this is the time to act, because its visibility window is shrinking faster. But do not worry if the galactic center fades your way. November 2025 still offers perfect conditions for another spectacular celestial show, the Leonid meteor shower. And if you're a night sky photographer looking to get creative, November is also fantastic for those mesmerizing star trails that make the universe dance right on your camera sensor. This is the Universe Factory, and if you're into cosmic wonders and want to catch a front row seat to the heavens, this is the video where we are talking about the major astro events taking up in November 2025. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. Also follow us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned down in the description below. Be sure to check out. Fourth and 5th November mark the peak of the Taurids meteor shower, a long-running but low-key show that produces about 5 to 10 meteors per hour. The Taurid season surprisingly stretches from early September all the way into December, making it one of the longest-lasting meteor showers of the year. And this year, the peak is set for the night of the November 4th. But there is the catch. A bright full moon will be shining in the sky, washing out most of the meteors. But do not lose hope. If you are patient enough and in a truly dark spot away from the city lights, you might still catch some of the brightest Taurids blazing across the sky. For the best chances, look just after midnight with your eyes scanning near the constellation Taurus, where the meteor seems to originate. But remember, they can appear anywhere overhead. On 5th November, get ready for an awe-inspiring celestial event, the first supermoon of the year. Unlike a typical full moon, a supermoon happens when the moon is at its closest point to the Earth in its orbit called perigee. And this month, this distance is about 357,777 kilometers, making the moon appear noticeably larger and brighter in our night sky. Think of it as the moon's way of showing off, lighting up at the night with an intense glow that's perfect for moonlit walks, photography, or simply gazing upward in the wonder. Get ready for another meteor shower of November, the Leonids meteor shower, active from November 6th through the 30th, with peak night on November 16th to 17th. This year the shower promises around 15 meteors per hour during the peak at 6:43 UTC on November 17th. And the best part is the moon will be just 8% illuminated, meaning almost no lunar light to spoil your view. Originating from the debris left behind by comet 55P Tempel-Tuttle, these fast, bright meteors radiate from the constellation Leo, lighting up the skies in both the northern and southern hemispheres. So pick up a dark spot away from the city lights and prepare for an extraordinary night under the stars. The Leonids are ready to blaze the sky like never before. November 20 brings a perfect night for stargazing. The moon sits directly between Earth and the Sun, turning its bright side away from us. And that means 0% moonlight, delivering pitch-black skies that are ideal for stargazing. Though it's late in the year, November still offers a very short window to spot the galactic center of the Milky Way. While the core's visibility is reduced compared to the summer months, with planning you can still catch the magnificent part of our galaxy. And this is the perfect time to try your hand at creating stunning star trails, where hours of the Earth's rotation paint swirling patterns of stars over your camera lens. 21st November marks an exciting night for skywatchers as Uranus reaches opposition, the planet's closest and brightest point to Earth for the year. At 12:17 UTC, Uranus aligns directly opposite to the Sun with Earth perfectly in between, making the planet fully illuminated and blazing at magnitude 5.6. This is the best time to observe and photograph Uranus since it will be visible all night, rising on the east at sunset and setting in the west at sunrise. However, even at its brightest and closest, Uranus will still look like a faint, star-shaped point of light to the naked eyes from exceptionally darkest locations. So if you want to actually see the planet's disk or its moons, a telescope or good binoculars are essential. Now let's talk about some stunning planetary conjunctions lighting up at the night sky this month. November is full of beautiful moon and planet meetups shining bright in our night sky. On 10th November, the 70% illuminated moon passes just 3.6 degrees north of Jupiter, a stunning duo visible to the naked eye or binoculars in the constellation Gemini. Then on November 21st, a slender 1.6% illuminated moon glides 4.3 degrees south of the Mars, offering a delicate early morning celestial pairing that's a treat for dedicated skywatchers. And finally on November 29th, the nearly full moon comes within 3.5 degrees north of Saturn, creating a wonderful spectacle to spot or capture in the evening sky. So that's it, all the major astro events happening in November 2025. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic journey through November's amazing sky events. If you really loved exploring these stars, planets, and meteor showers together, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure you never miss one of our upcoming space adventures. I would love to hear from you as well. What November celestial event are you most excited to witness or photograph? Drop your thoughts, questions, or even your own sky stories in the comments below. Let's start a new awesome space chat together. Also, do not forget to check out these videos right here on your screen. They are packed with even more breathtaking astronomical wonders. I'll be back soon with yet another super interesting video to keep your eyes on the sky and your curiosity sky high. Until then, and as always, keep looking up.